If you're super pale like me, you know the struggle of finding a nude lipstick that doesn't look orange. Like for instance, MAC's Honey Love, beautiful, beautiful lipstick. On most people, but for me it's orange. Not that that's necessarily always a bad thing, but I want to look cute in a nude too. You know, a nude that actually blends in more with my skin tone. So yeah, I have an idea. Let's line our lips first of all and put some Honey Love in the middle lip. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad, but it just does not do it for me, you know? But then I had the idea, what if we put some white concealer on the lips? Like, I know concealer lips, I've been so against it, but at this point I am willing to try anything. Ooh, you know what, that kind of worked. Let's do some more. Yeah, that was too much, darn it. It's definitely not comfortable though, so I think I need to remove some product. I think I made it kind of pale enough. What do you guys think? Let's just add some gloss too, because yeah, that's pretty. That also made it a little more comfortable to wear. So, what do you guys reckon? Would you try this?